Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to get free lives in Royal Match. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into so guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Royal Match application on your mobile phone if you haven't already, and after opening up the application guys, you will be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of the application, as you can see, where you can go ahead and log into your account. So guys, the first thing you have to do is go ahead and log into your account. Even though it isn't necessary to log into your account, you will have far more benefits than somebody without an account. So now that you have an account, you can get started getting your lives. So guys, basically there are free ways to get lives in this game. As you can see at the top of the screen, we can see how many lives we have in the form of heart. So guys, basically there are three ways. The first way guys is to just go ahead and keep on playing, leveling up, and then you will be able to get more and more lives earned just by leveling up and playing. So guys, the next thing you can do is to go ahead, as you can see, just to wait out the timers. As you can see, there is a timer at the top where you can see how much is left until you get a new free life. So you can either wait that time out guys, and then you will be able to receive another life. And the third way guys to get free lives is to request some from your teammates. So what you can do is go join a clan. After you join a clan, there you will have teammates and members from which you can request lives, and then they can send you lives so you can continue on playing if you have no more. But yeah guys, basically those are the three ways to get free lives in a Royal Match. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.